Hello there, welcome again to our series of topics. And in today's topic, we'll see some of the newly added functionality to Excel, which is format table dark. So it is, you can find this under home, and here is a data I have. Let me actually copy this data and show you how this can be used. Let me use dark tail style. So I have to go to format table and go to the dark styles and select dark tail. Then it will actually ask me to create a table. I have to say yes, and here is the option. You can see it, the options here. Let me again copy and use another style. This time let me paste and use dark brown. Here it is. Let me copy again and use another style again. Let me paste it here. Again, paste it here. Let me use again palm style in this case. Okay, here you can find it on the top, the options. Let me use for this one probably another one, green. So as you can see, it is actually stand out, and clearly you can see the numbers and everything else. So it is very important functionality added to Excel. That is a format table dark, and you can find it under home. So use it, and it's a great functionality added to this, added to Excel. So use it, and it will actually makes your work interesting.